In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a wedding planning website for total beginners. We'll be going over everything that you need to start your wedding planning website, how to customize it, and how to ultimately make money with your wedding planning website. Choosing your niche and defining your brand. The first step in creating a wedding planning website is choosing your niche and defining your brand. Specializing in a specific aspect of wedding planning, such as luxury weddings, budget-friendly weddings, destination weddings, or DIY weddings, can help you attract a dedicated audience. Define your brand by choosing a name, logo, and color scheme that reflects your niche and personal style. Setting up your wedding planning website. Now, there are plenty of platforms out there that you can create your website on, but the one that we recommend is Hostinger. Reason being is that it's very affordable. It's what we use for our websites, and we also have a special discount code below where you can get even better price for Hostinger. So if you want to get started with Hostinger today, go ahead and click that link down in the description, which will bring you right here. So here you can go ahead and click on Start Now, and this will bring you down to Hostinger's 3 different plans to choose from. Now, for most of you watching this, we recommend the premium, maybe the business plan, but the premium plan is probably going to be more than enough for most of you. So with the premium plan, you can create 100 websites, you get 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, 400,000 files and directories, free pre-built templates, free automatic website migration, unlimited free SSL, free email, weekly backups, WordPress vulnerability scan, WordPress auto updates, standard WordPress acceleration, unlimited bandwidth, free domain, free CDN, WordPress AI tools, and more. So once you decide which plan you want to go with, go ahead and click Choose Plan. That'll bring you to this page right here where you can choose the length of term that you want to get started for with your Hostinger plan. There's a 1-month option, a 12-month option, 24-month option, or a 48-month option. Now, obviously, the longer term you choose, the more savings you're going to get, but we recommend going with at least the 12-month option. And the next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and scroll down here to the coupon code area and type in My First Website and click Apply. Then you can see for $34.45, you're going to get access to the premium plan for 1 year. And this is a really amazing deal. And Hostinger also has a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for whatever reason those first 30 days you're not happy with Hostinger, you can get your money back. Okay, so once you're signed into your brand new Hostinger account, it will look something like this, and you can see your Hostinger plan. Now, it might look a little different than this, but it should look pretty similar. Now, one of the first things that you should do from here is go ahead and click on domains. And this is where you can go ahead and claim your free domain that comes with your Hostinger plan. We've already used our free domain on this plan, so we're going to go ahead and come back here to websites. And from here, this is where we're going to add the wedding planning website. So at the top here, we can click this purple button that says Add Website, and you can choose from WordPress, which is a little bit more customizable, but it requires a little bit more technical knowledge. Or you can choose from the Hostinger Website Builder, which is an AI-powered drag and drop website builder. For this example, we're going to be choosing the Hostinger Website Builder as it's a little bit more beginner friendly. So it's going to ask if you want to create a website or migrate a website, and we're going to go ahead and create a website. Then it'll ask if you want to use WordPress with AI or Hostinger's Website Builder. For this example, we're going to go ahead and use Hostinger Website Builder and hit Next. And here, this is where it'll ask you for your domain or subdomain, and you may or may not see this if you already went ahead and decided to claim your free domain. And for this example, I'll go ahead and just select Use Temporary Domain. All right, now we have a couple of different options here. We can either let AI create our website in minutes, or we can choose from a pre-made template. Let's go ahead and use a pre-made template for this example. So up here at the top, you can go ahead and select from different categories. So there's all templates, popular templates, blank templates, portfolio, marketing, events. Now you don't need to find a template that exactly matches your niche. In this case, a wedding planning website. You can just find a design that you like, and then later on you can go ahead and customize it to fit your specific needs. So for this, let's go ahead and select events and see what we can find. So I kind of like the looks of this template right here. So what you can do, you can go ahead and before you select the template, you can preview it. And what I recommend that you do is you come up here to the top and you can go ahead and just make sure that it looks how you like or something that you'd like for mobile, because you know, in this day and age, so much of traffic comes from mobile. So you want to make sure that the template that you choose looks good on not only desktop, but mobile as well. So if you're happy with this template, you can go ahead and click Start Building. Now, this isn't going to be a super in-depth tutorial on how to customize a website using Hostinger Website Builder. We have other videos on our channel to do that. This is going to be a simpler tutorial, and what you can do, just come in here and play around with it and customize it to your liking. But to sort of show you around, what you can do is you can go ahead and come over here, and there's some different options over here. There is the site setup checklist to choose from. This is how you can add other elements like text, button, galleries, contact form, that type of thing. And then below is pages and navigation. This is where you can manage all the pages on your website and how they show up. Next, we have different website styles. So this is where you can change the colors, fonts, buttons, and animations. And below that, we have different AI tools. So go ahead and play around with this and get this set up how you like. Essential features for your wedding planning website. Your wedding planning website should have several key features to make it user-friendly and engaging. Starting with a homepage. This welcomes visitors and highlights your services or most popular content. About page. This is where you can share your story, experience, and what inspires your passion for wedding planning. Services page. Detail the services you offer, such as full service planning, day of coordination, and consultation packages. Portfolio. Showcase your best work with high quality photos and descriptions of past weddings that you've planned. Blog. Regularly update your blog with wedding tips, trends, and inspiration. Contact page. Provide a way for potential clients to get in touch with you. Testimonials. Showcase testimonials from happy clients to build credibility. Resources. Offer downloadable resources such as checklists, timelines, and budget planners. Creating essential pages and content. Your wedding planning website should have several key pages and high quality content to attract and retain visitors. The homepage. Again, this is your first impression, so you want to make it count. You should include a professional photo, a brief introduction, and a call to action, encouraging visitors to explore your services or read your blog. About page. Here you can dive deeper into your background, experience, and what makes your approach unique. You can share your journey into wedding planning and any professional credentials or accolades that you have. Services page. Clearly outline the services that you offer, including detailed descriptions and pricing information. Use bullet points or icons to make the information easy to scan. Portfolio. Display high quality photos and descriptions of weddings that you've planned in the past. Organized by theme or type of wedding to showcase your versatility. Blog page. Regularly update your blog with valuable content like wedding planning tips, trend reports, and DIY ideas. This not only helps with SEO, but establishes you as an expert in your field. Contact page. Make it easy for potential clients to reach you by including a contact form, email address, phone number, and links to your social media profiles. Writing compelling content for your wedding planning website. Creating engaging and informative content is crucial to attracting and retaining clients. Here's a guide to writing compelling content for your site. Homepage content. Start with a powerful headline that grabs attention. Example, making your dream wedding a reality. Include a brief introduction that highlights your unique selling points. Example, hi, I'm Jane Doe, a certified wedding planner with over 10 years of experience in creating unforgettable weddings. Whether you're planning a lavish affair or an intimate gathering, I'm here to bring your vision to life. 2. About page content. Share your journey and what inspired you to become a wedding planner. For example, my passion for weddings started when I planned my sister's wedding, and ever since then, I've been dedicated to helping couples create their perfect day. With a background in event management and a keen eye for detail, I bring a blend of creativity and organization to every wedding that I plan. Include your qualifications, certification, and any notable achievements that you have made. For example, I'm a certified wedding planner through the Association of Bridal Consultants and have been featured in several wedding magazines for my innovative designs. 3. Services page content. Provide detailed descriptions of the services that you offer. Example, I offer a range of wedding planning services tailored to meet your needs, from full service planning to day of coordination. My full service package includes everything from venue selection to vendor management, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. Here you can highlight the benefits of each service and what clients can expect. Example, with my day of coordination service, you can relax and enjoy your wedding day, knowing that all the details are being taken care of. I'll be there to manage the timeline, coordinate with vendors, and handle any last minute issues. 4. Portfolio content. Showcase your best work with high quality photos and detailed description. For example, take a look at some of the beautiful weddings I've had the pleasure of planning. From elegant ballroom receptions to rustic outdoor ceremonies, each wedding reflects the unique style and vision of the couple. 5. Blog content. Write informative and engaging blog posts related to wedding planning. Example, top 10 wedding trends for 2024. How to choose the perfect wedding venue. DIY wedding decor ideas. Use a conversational tone and provide actionable advice. 6. Call to action. End each page with a clear call to action, encouraging visitors to take the next step. Example, ready to start planning your dream wedding? Contact me today to schedule your free consultation. By following these steps, you'll create high quality content that engages your audience and establishes you as a trusted expert in the field of wedding planning. Promoting your wedding planning website. To attract clients to your site, you'll need to promote it effectively. Here are some strategies to do just that. Starting with social media. Share your content on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. Use relevant hashtags and engage with your audience regularly. SEO. Use SEO techniques to improve your site's visibility on search engines. Include keywords related to your services and niche in your content and meta descriptions. Networking. Connect with other wedding professionals and local businesses to build relationships and promote your services. Email newsletter. Create a newsletter to keep your clients updated on new blog posts, services, and special offers. Encourage visitors to subscribe by offering a free wedding planning checklist or guide. Wedding directories. List your services on popular wedding directories to reach a wider audience. Monetizing your wedding planning website. Finally, let's talk about monetization. Here are some ways to earn from your wedding planning website. Service packages. Offer different service packages at varying price points to cater to a wide range of clients. Affiliate marketing. Use affiliate links in your blog posts and content to earn commissions from wedding-related products and services. Sponsored posts. Collaborate with wedding brands and write sponsored posts or product reviews. Ad networks. Join ad networks like Google AdSense to display ads on your site. Ebooks and online courses. Create and sell ebooks or online courses on wedding planning topics. Starting a wedding planning website is a fantastic way to share your passion for creating beautiful weddings while potentially earning an income through your services and other monetization methods that we talked about today. By following these steps and using Hostinger's built-in website builder, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful wedding planning website. So that's everything that you need to know about how to start a wedding planning website. Again, we'll leave a link down below in the description to Hostinger where you guys can get started for less than $3 per month. Just make sure to use code MyFirstWebsite for an even greater discount when using that link. Now, don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on web development and design. One more thing to mention, the links down in the description are affiliate links, so they do help out the channel if you end up using them. It's no extra cost to you, and in fact, you'll get a discount if you use our code. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.